of an insurance court to specifically address cases related to insurance in Kenya. The Association of Insurance Brokers of Kenya says the move is key in fast-tracking settlement of cases. Dennis Otieno with more.
A report released 2 years ago showed nearly half of unresolved cases in Kenyan courts have dragged on for more than 3 years. It is perhaps against this backdrop that stakeholders in the insurance sector have called for the establishment of an insurance court to handle cases from the sector.
We continue calling perhaps for an insurance court that will be able to look at some of these matters, specifically for insurance, because with such an important industry that cannot be left on its own, and to go through the normal litigation issues that we see. There are a lot of people whose cases are still in court, and therefore we continue calling for a specific court, like the way we have land law, environmental courts, and insurance would go a long way in dealing with some of these issues that we are talking about.
According to the judiciary, the maximum desirable timeline for a case to have been finalized in Kenya is 1 year. Any case that exceeds this period is considered a backlog. Statistics from the Insurance Regulatory Authority (IRA) indicate that 10 insurers were fined in 2021 over various breaches, which include late payment of claims and failure to submit audited accounts. Cases of fraud are also on the rise.
We need to have that sort of court. In any case, Kenya has been leading in many other frontiers, from M-Pesa to many other things. There will be no harm in having a first of its kind in the region.
The Association of Insurance Brokers of Kenya is engaging relevant stakeholders in the proposal to form an insurance court.
There must be a discourse with the government, especially judiciary, and we'd hope and we'd pray, and I would use this opportunity perhaps to appeal to the regulator during, I know we are just about to read the national budget. I think there are some of the propositions that we'd want to see. As an industry, it will really help in terms, first of all, in stemming fraud, and secondly, in making sure that claims are settled promptly. Remember, they are breadwinners, perhaps have been injured or they have lost their property. They need to be back in business in the shortest time possible.
Dennis Otieno, Citizen TV.